Hey, yo, check it. This, Seagull can't figure out my glass balcony. What is this force field in my way? I can't. Oh God. I know. Maybe he'll just starve here because he can never leave. Finnegan, then what do you think, buddy? Huh? Help him out? Okay, let's scare him away. Oh, Finn! Finnegan! You stupid seagull, get out of here! Okay, alright, I'm gonna put a coat on and see if I can get him out of here. Shoot! Get out of here! Go up that thing! Go up the ramp I made you! Go this way, you dummy! Hey, come on, you stupid bird! Okay, alright. Okay, I wrapped the seagull in the blanket. Now I'm gonna take him downstairs and let him go.